Hey there. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to convert a TIFF image or a raster image into something that we can use in Creo. So first things first, let's clean up the image. In this case, it already is a black and white image, but if you see that this threshold option is clickable, go ahead and click that. Um, it depends on how clean your scan is, your raster image is. But if you do find little speckles and holes that shouldn't be there, feel free to click on this option. You can also mess with the size. Make sure not to make the pixel speckle and hole size sliders too big, because otherwise it's going to start deleting things that we actually want to include in the drawing, for example. So maybe a relatively low one for this particular drawing is fine. We can also choose to thicken lines if we want to, and smooth them if we want. And that just really depends on the quality of your initial scan. So once we're happy with this, we click on OK. Next would be to convert the image. For this particular image, it is a technical image. We want to use the OCR function because there are text objects that we want to convert into true type text. So it is an architectural one. You can mess around with the other presets found here, but it just really depends on the type of image that we're working with. For the OCR tab, let's set the maximum character size. These room labels seem to be the largest ones here, so let's click and drag to set the size there. Should be good. We don't have any vertical or angular text in the image, so there's no need for us to check that. But if you do have vertical and angular text, be sure to tick these options over here. Now we click Run to generate a preview. It's a pretty clean conversion. You can actually check the original raster, the vector image, and just an overlay of both. Click on Highlight Vectors to colorize the converted vector objects. So once we're happy with the converted vector, we click on OK, and it's just a matter of clicking on File, Save as Vector, and whatever file format it is that we want to use on Creo. So I hope that this helped.